Hey guys, so the first thing you're going to do is click on Fonto app, then click on the camera icon to the bottom, then click plain images. You can either choose black or white. Then in the middle, the top middle, you're going to tap on the 2048 by 2048. Scroll down. So I am editing this off my phone. So I'm going to choose the iPhone 8 7 plus 6 plus or whatever, the 2208 by 1242. Right here you can choose a color, customize it. You can choose any color you want. But I'm going to choose white, then hit apply, then tap on the save icon to the top right, then click use and save. Then tap on add text, and then put in your business name, then choose a font. The font is like right above your keyboard. Choose any font you want. Right here I couldn't even see my business name because it was in all white, so I'm going to customize it. You can either click on color pattern and choose a color pattern, but I was not feeling that color pattern, so I just made all of it pink. To even achieve the color pattern, you have to click on a blank space. Then it's going to show you all these text font style in a box. Then you click on style and then look to the bottom. There's going to be create color pattern. So I'm going to add my email, my IG, my TikTok. But I just realized that I messed up and I put my website for my email instead of my actual email. But for you, you can put your website, your email, wherever they can find your products, basically. Now that you're done, you're going to click the save icon to the bottom right, then go down and click save image. And it's going to automatically save to your phone. Save. Then now you're going to go to PicsArt. And basically right here, I just added some stickers just to make it look better than what it was. So I chose that butterfly photo. Then I click on opacity to make it lighter so it can be a background. So I was not feeling that red lip, so I went ahead and clicked on stickers and then chose some other lips. Basically, this doesn't have to be your layout. This can actually be a rough draft to see how you want to do your business cards. You don't have to actually do the same thing I'm doing here. This just gives you an idea. So I'm adding more lips. And once you're done with that, you click apply and then save, the arrow that's pointing down. Then come out of Pixar and click on Google Docs. To the bottom right corner, there's a plus sign. Click on that, then click on New Document. Type in your title. Now once you did that, click the plus sign, the third icon from the left. Then click on Image. Then from Photos. Pick the photo that you work on. Now you're going to tap on that image, and then the icon, the second icon from the right at the bottom. Then click on Wrap Text. Click on it so you can be able to resize the photo. However big you want it, however small you want it. Then you're going to tap on the photo, and then right above it, click copy, and then hit a blank space and then paste. If you did that, it should look something like this. Then you're going to click the check icon to the top left to save it. Then the back icon, then the three dots to the bottom right of the photo you just worked on. Then scroll down, then you hit print, and it should look something like this. Also, to achieve these business card texture, you can get the thick paper from Walmart, both the white and the colorful ones. And this is how they turned out. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.